In the ever-evolving landscape of modern warfare, military vehicles have undergone a remarkable transformation, integrating cutting-edge technology and innovative design to enhance their efficiency and effectiveness on the battlefield. From heavily armored tanks to agile reconnaissance vehicles, these machines represent the pinnacle of military engineering. Join me, we're going to delve into the world of military vehicles with the top 15 most sophisticated military vehicles in the world. Starting with number 15, the M1150 Assault Breacher. This vehicle is a tracked, armored engineering vehicle designed for minefield and obstacle clearing. It's a modified version of the M1 Abrams tank chassis, featuring a distinctive mine plow at the front and a line charge launcher system. This vehicle is primarily used by the United States Marine Corps. It is as strong as it is heavily armored, providing protection to its crew during hazardous missions. It stands out due to that articulated mine plow, designed to create safe pathways by clearing mines and road obstacles and busting straight through defenses. Its key function lies in the ability to rapidly breach complex obstacles and minefields to facilitate movement of follow-on forces. Deployed in amphibious and land-based operations, the Assault Breacher plays a critical role in enhancing the mobility of military units. It is specifically designed to operate in challenging terrains, including beachheads and urban environments. The operational history of the M1150 includes deployment in various conflict zones, notably during the Iraq and Afghanistan campaigns. Its effectiveness in breaching those obstacles there has contributed to the success of military operations. Armed with the M58 mine-clearing line charge system, it can launch a rocket-propelled explosive line charge to clear mines and create safe passages. Additionally, it's equipped with defensive machine guns for self-protection too. Number 14, the BS10 Viking. This one is a versatile, all-terrain armored vehicle renowned for its adaptability. Developed by the Swedish defense company Howitzer, which is now part of BAE Systems, the Viking is a variant of the Bandwagen 206 articulated all-terrain carrier. Physically, the BS10 Viking has a distinctive design, with a forward and rear compartment articulated by a pivoting joint, allowing it to navigate through rough and uneven terrains. The vehicle is tracked, enhancing mobility in adverse conditions such as snow, mud, or swampy terrain, and it's configured to carry cargo or personnel, making it suitable for a variety of military and logistical roles. The primary function of the BS10 Viking is to serve as a troop carrier and logistics vehicle, offering mobility and protection. Its design enables it to traverse snow-covered landscapes, cross rivers, and move through dense forests, providing military forces with enhanced flexibility. It's deployed by several military forces globally, but the Viking has demonstrated its effectiveness in a range of environments. It excels in Arctic and cold weather operations, as well as in tropical and temperate climates. The vehicle's ability to operate in extreme conditions makes it a valuable asset. It's been in service in various international military operations, showcasing its versatility. It's been utilized for troop transport, logistical support, and as a platform for specialized variants, including ambulance and command vehicles. Armed variants of the BS10 Viking can be equipped with machine guns or other light weapons for self-defense purposes, enhancing survivability in hostile environments. Number 13, the Lynx Infantry Fighting Vehicle. The Lynx Infantry Fighting Vehicle stands as a pinnacle of modern armored technology, embodying a combination of advanced design, formidable armaments, and superior mobility. Manufactured by Rheinmetall and Krauss-Maffei Wegmann, the Lynx is a tracked, highly modular platform designed to meet the evolving needs of modern mechanized infantry. In terms of design, the Lynx showcases a compact and adaptable structure. Its modular architecture allows for easy integration of various mission-specific configurations, accommodating diverse roles such as infantry transport, reconnaissance, and anti-tank warfare. Its versatility stems from that customizable design, which facilitates swift adaptations based on mission requirements. Mobility is the cornerstone of the Lynx capabilities. The vehicle features a powerful engine and advanced suspension system, ensuring swift maneuverability across different terrains. The vehicle's armor is designed to withstand a range of threats, including ballistic and mine impacts. Active protection systems enhance survivability by intercepting incoming projectiles before they reach the vehicle. And it's armed to the teeth. The Lynx is equipped with a potent array of weaponry. The primary armament typically includes a 30mm automatic cannon, providing the vehicle with the firepower to engage both infantry and armored threats. Additionally, anti-tank guided missiles augment the Lynx anti-armor capability, ensuring it remains a formidable force on the battlefield. Deployed by armed forces seeking cutting-edge armored capability, the Lynx Infantry Fighting Vehicle has garnered attention for its operational effectiveness. Its combat-proven design has demonstrated reliability, from urban landscapes to open terrains. Number 12, Janam Launcher. The Jobaria Defense System's Multiple Cradle Launcher, or the MCL, is a distinctive and innovative military vehicle designed for rapid and simultaneous firing of multiple rocket launchers. Manufactured by Jobaria Defense Systems, the MCL stands out for its unique design and formidable firepower. Now, physically, the MCL features a specialized platform with multiple cradles or launch tubes mounted on a mobile chassis. The launch tubes are configured to hold various rocket systems, allowing for a diverse range of munitions to be fired in quick succession. This modular design provides the MCL with a high degree of versatility in terms of the types of rockets it can deploy. Its primary function is to deliver a swift and concentrated barrage of rockets to overwhelm and neutralize enemy targets. Now, this makes it particularly effective in both offensive and defensive roles, capable of providing rapid and powerful fire support to ground forces. Deployed in conflict zones that demand intense and immediate firepower, the MCL is suited for scenarios where saturation of the target area is crucial. Its mobility allows for quick repositioning too, adapting to the dynamic nature of modern warfare. Now, while specific operational histories may not be widely documented, the MCL has gained attention for its participation in military demonstrations and exercises. The standout feature of the Jobaria Defense Systems MCL lies in its ability to deliver a concentrated and overwhelming barrage, setting it apart from conventional military vehicles. This modular design allows for integration of different rockets, enhancing adaptability. Its versatility combined with its mobility and rapid firing capability make the MCL a distinctive and formidable asset in the realm of rocket artillery. Talk about a hand that rocks the cradle. Number 11. The M2 Bradley Fighting Vehicle. The M2 Bradley Fighting Vehicle, an integral component of the United States Army's armored forces. In terms of design, the M2 Bradley features an aluminum hull with sloped armor, providing enhanced protection against both ballistic and anti-tank threats. It accommodates a crew of 3, the commander, the gunner, and the driver, along with up to 6 infantry soldiers in the rear compartment. The vehicle's distinctive twin-turret configuration houses a 25mm M242 Bushmaster chain gun and a TOW anti-tank missile launcher. Armaments are a defining aspect of the M2 Bradley's combat capability. The primary weapon, the M242 Bushmaster, is a dual-feed automatic cannon capable of firing high-explosive, armor-piercing, and sabot rounds. The TOW missile launcher provides the vehicle with long-range anti-armor capabilities, enabling it to engage tanks and other heavily armored threats. To enhance its survivability, the Bradley is equipped with various countermeasures. Now, these include smoke grenade launchers to obscure the vehicle from enemy targeting and infrared jammers to disrupt guided missile systems. Additionally, later variants have incorporated improvements in situational awareness with enhanced optics and thermal imaging systems for both commander and gunner. The M2 Bradley's chassis is built for mobility, featuring a tracked configuration that enables it to navigate diverse terrains. Powered by a gas turbine engine, it can reach speeds of around 40 miles an hour on roads and about 25 off-roads. The tracked mobility coupled with advanced suspension systems allows the M2 Bradley to traverse challenging landscapes, providing mechanized infantry with the capability to maneuver rapidly on the battlefield. What sets the Bradley apart, though, is its integrated approach to infantry support. The combination of a potent main gun, anti-tank missiles, and the ability to transport infantry makes it versatile and comprehensive. Its continued relevance in modern conflicts attest to its effectiveness and adaptability, establishing the M2 Bradley as a staple in mechanized infantry operations for over 3 decades. Number 10. The M60 Armored Vehicle Launched Bridge. The M60 Armored Vehicle Launch Bridge, commonly called the AVLB, is a specialized military vehicle designed to provide rapid and mobile bridging capabilities for armored formations. Developed from the M60 Patton tank chassis, the AVLB serves a critical role in enhancing mobility of armored units by facilitating the quick bridging of gaps and obstacles on the battlefield. In terms of its design, the AVLB features a bridge launching mechanism mounted on the chassis of the M60 tank. The bridge itself is a scissor-type mechanism that unfolds hydraulically, extending to bridge spans of up to 60 feet or 18 meters. This allows the AVLB to bridge rivers, ditches, or other obstacles, providing a vital link for armored vehicles to traverse otherwise impassable terrain. The primary function of it is to deploy a quickly assembled bridge to enable the seamless movement of armored vehicles across obstacles. This ability is particularly crucial for mechanized forces advancing on the battlefield, allowing them to maintain momentum and exploit strategic opportunities. The AVLB's armament is minimalistic, as its primary purpose is mobility and bridging support rather than direct combat. It typically retains the machine gun and other defensive armaments found on the base M60 tank chassis to provide self-defense. Countermeasures on the M60 AVLB may include smoke grenade launchers to provide a smoke screen for protection during bridge deployment and recovery operations, and additionally, the vehicle may be equipped with basic armor for crew protection. The chassis of it is based on the M60 Patton tank. It's a proven and reliable platform. While not as modern as some of contemporary tank designs, the M60 chassis provides a firm foundation for the AVLB's bridge-laying equipment. The AVLB is the perfect vehicle to call in when the squad is encountered with a bridge that's too far. Number 9. Cougar 6x6. The Cougar 6x6 is an armored vehicle designed for various roles, including infantry support, reconnaissance, and command and control. Manufactured by the American company Force Protection Incorporated, which is now part of General Dynamics Land Systems, the Cougar 6x6 has gained plenty of recognition over the years. In terms of design, the Cougar has a distinctive appearance characterized by its boxy and rugged structure. The body is built with armored steel to provide protection against ballistic threats, mines, and improvised explosive devices. Modular design allows for different configurations to suit specific mission requirements, including troop transport, ambulance, and utility variants. The Cougar's hull takes on an inverted V shape, directing underneath the vehicle with the apex pointing downward. Now, this design offers several advantages. Firstly, it deflects the blast energy away from the crew compartment, dispersing the force laterally. This deflection is essential in minimizing impact on the vehicle's occupants when encountering explosive devices. Additionally, the V-shaped hull contributes to stability during an explosion, distributing the force more evenly and reducing the risk of the vehicle overturning or sustaining severe structural damage. By redirecting the blast and associated debris away from the crew compartment, the V-shaped hull design significantly reduces the risk of injuries to the occupants. It also plays a crucial role in minimizing the impact of debris generated by the explosion. Depending on the specific layout, the Cougar can typically transport between 10 to 12 fully equipped troops. And when going through the tough IED-filled terrain, the Cougar is seriously the safest place to be. The chassis is built for mobility, featuring that 6x6 wheeled configuration. Now, this setup provides a balance between speed and off-road capability, making the vehicle suitable for a range of terrains. It is as fast as it is tough, and it's meant to keep everyone inside alive. Number 8. ENTW Q1 Avenger. The ENTW Q1 Avenger is a mobile air defense system designed to provide short air-range defense capability for ground forces. It was developed in the 1980s and introduced in the early 1990s. The Avenger was designed to address the need for a highly mobile and effective anti-aircraft platform. Its development involved adapting the existing Humvee chassis, resulting in a compact and maneuverable vehicle, and has been deployed in places like the Gulf War, the Iraq War, and Afghanistan War. The Avenger's design features a turret-mounted pod that houses Stinger surface-to-air missiles. Now, this pod is equipped with 4 missile launch tubes, allowing the system to engage multiple airborne targets. The turret is mounted on a rotating platform, providing the Avenger with a 360-degree engagement capability, and that's crucial for addressing threats from any direction. The primary armament is the FIM-92 Stinger missile. This is a highly versatile and widely used infrared homing missile. It's effective against a variety of airborne targets, including helicopters and low-flying fixed-wing aircraft, with a relatively short range. The Stinger missile is well-suited for the Avenger's role in providing close-range air defense for ground forces. Countermeasures on the Avenger include infrared jammers and decoy launchers. The infrared jammers are designed to disrupt targeting systems of infrared-guided missiles, providing an additional layer of protection for the Avenger and its crew. Decoy launchers deploy flares to divert incoming heat-seeking missiles away from the vehicle, and additionally, the Avenger system has been integrated with the Forward Area Air Defense Command and Control System, enhancing connectivity and coordination with other air defense assets. Its ability to protect ground forces against a range of airborne threats, coupled with its agility on the battlefield, makes it one of the most advanced vehicles on the battlefield. Moving on to number 7, the PLZ-05 Self-Propelled Howitzer. The PLZ-05 is a Chinese-made self-propelled howitzer developed to meet the modern military needs of the People's Liberation Army, or the PLA. Its development began in the early 2000s, and it was officially introduced into service in the mid-2000s. This howitzer is mounted on a tracked chassis, providing mobility on various terrains. It's designed for long-range precision fire support and is equipped with a 155mm gun capable of firing a variety of projectiles, including extended-range guided munitions. The extended barrel length allows for increased firing range and accuracy, making it a versatile and effective artillery system. Its chassis is based on a tracked platform, enhancing mobility and maneuverability. Now, this tracked design allows the self-propelled howitzer to cover diverse terrains, providing the PLA with the flexibility to deploy artillery support in different environments. The primary armament, that 155mm gun, has versatility, and it's evident in its ability to launch extended-range guided munitions, allowing for precision strikes. Countermeasures on the PLZ-05 may include smoke dischargers and electronic countermeasure systems designed to disrupt and confuse enemy targeting systems. Now, these features aim to improve the vehicle's survivability on the battlefield. The operational history of the PLZ-05 includes its deployment by the PLA, particularly in exercise and training scenarios. While specific combat engagements may not be widely documented, the howitzer's presence in the PLA arsenal underscores its role as a key component. Fun fact, the PLZ-05 includes its designation as the Type 05 in official Chinese nomenclature. Additionally, its modular design allows for easier maintenance and potential future upgrades, ensuring its continued relevance in modern artillery warfare. Number 6. The AAV-7 Amphibious Assault Vehicle. The AAV-7 is an amphibious armored personnel carrier designed to provide the United States Marine Corps with effective mobility in both water and on land. The vehicle's been in service since the 1970s and has undergone various upgrades to maintain its relevance on the modern battlefield. The design is characterized by a tracked chassis, and its distinctive feature is its amphibious capability, enabling it to seamlessly transition from ship to shore and operate in littoral environments. The tracked configuration ensures stability and maneuverability, allowing it to navigate challenging landscapes during both amphibious and land-based operations. The primary function is troop transport in amphibious assaults. It's capable of carrying a significant number of troops, typically around 21 fully equipped Marines. The rear compartment of the vehicle is designed to accommodate infantry, providing them with protected transportation to the shore during amphibious landings, and the capacity is crucial for rapidly deploying Marines and supporting the initial phases of operations. In addition to troop transport, it's armed with a turret-mounted weapons system. Now, this armament varies among different versions, but it often includes a mounted machine gun or an automatic cannon for self-defense and suppressing enemy threats. The weaponry is intended to provide fire support for the embarked Marines during the assault and subsequent ops. Countermeasures may include smoke grenade launchers to provide a smoke screen for protection during beach landings, and the vehicle's armor provides basic protection against small arms fire and shell splinters, enhancing survivability of its occupants. The operational history includes deployments in various conflicts, and it's been a critical asset in conducting amphibious assaults. Its role in transporting Marines from ship to shore, along with its ability to operate inland, makes it an essential player in the U.S. Marine Corps. Number 5. Terminal High Altitude Area Defense. The Terminal High Altitude Area Defense, but all his friends call him THAD. It stands as a pinnacle of modern missile defense tech, providing necessary capabilities to intercept and neutralize a wide spectrum of ballistic missiles. Developed by the United States with contributions from partner nations, THAD has emerged as a critical element in a layered defense against missiles. At the heart of this system is the ENTW radar. This is a sophisticated component that plays a pivotal role in its effectiveness. This radar provides unparalleled long-range tracking and discrimination capability, allowing THAD to detect and identify incoming missiles with precision. The radar's ability to operate in forward-based mode enhances coverage too, providing early warning and tracking data for crucial threats. The THAD launcher vehicles are equipped with multiple interceptors, each housing a kinetic energy kill vehicle. And what sets that apart is its reliance on kinetic energy impact to neutralize an incoming missile, foregoing explosive warheads. Mobility is a cornerstone of its design, offering rapid deployment and repositioning capability. Now, this mobility ensures that THAD can be strategically placed to address evolving threat scenarios, providing a flexible and responsive defense. The primary mission of THAD is to intercept and destroy ballistic missiles during their terminal phase of flight. Targeting short, medium, and intermediate-range missiles, THAD provides a crucial layer of defense. Countermeasures do form an integral part of THAD's capability. By engaging threats at higher altitudes, it can minimize the risk of collateral damage on the ground. Moreover, the system's radar and interceptors are designed to counter sophisticated decoys and countermeasures. THAD's operational history includes deployments in various regions, notably the Korean Peninsula and the Middle East, where it's been positioned to address specific regional missile threats. Successful interceptions and demonstrated capabilities have solidified THAD's reputation as a reliable and effective missile defense system. Number 4. The M1A1 and 2 Abrams battle tank. The M1A1 and 2 Abrams battle tanks stand as America's most powerful vehicles when it comes to armored warfare and establishing battlefield dominance. Developed by General Dynamics Land Systems, this main battle tank has undergone successive upgrades to maintain its status as one of the most advanced military vehicles in the world. At the core of the Abrams lethality is its armament. The tank is equipped with a 120mm smoothbore gun, capable of firing a variety of projectiles, including armor-piercing fin-stabilized discarding SABO, or APF-SDS rounds, and high-explosive anti-tank rounds. The M1A1 variant is also equipped with a 50 caliber machine gun and a 7.62 machine gun, providing additional firepower for anti-aircraft and anti-infantry roles. To enhance its survivability, the Abrams incorporates advanced armor. The tank features composite armor, which includes layers of ceramics and other materials designed to provide exceptional protection. Its armor is further augmented by modular armor kits that can be added or upgraded to adapt evolving battlefield threats. The Abrams is equipped with a suite of countermeasures to enhance survivability on the battlefield. Now, these countermeasures include a smoke grenade launcher to provide a visual screen against enemy targeting. And additionally, the Abrams is fitted with an active protection system designed to intercept and neutralize incoming threats such as anti-tank guided missiles. Concealment on the battlefield is addressed through the use of thermal camouflage netting and other measures to reduce the tank's infrared and visual signatures. It's also equipped with technology to minimize its acoustic signature too, reducing the likelihood of detection by enemy sensors. In terms of damage control, the Abrams is equipped with an automatic fire extinguisher system designed to detect and suppress internal fires. The tank's crew compartment is designed with crew survivability in mind, including measures such as blast-resistant seats and compartmentalization to mitigate the impact of internal explosions. Active protection, such as the trophy system, increase the vehicle's survivability by intercepting and neutralizing incoming threats before they can impact the tank. These systems are integrated into the tank's defensive suite, adding another layer of protection. In terms of battlefield deployment, the M1A1 and 2 Abrams serve as a cornerstone of armored formations, providing decisive firepower and protection to ground forces. It excels in a variety of close roles, including tank-on-tank warfare, infantry support, and defensive operations. The only way to feel safe around this advanced piece of hardware is to be inside. Number 3. The Boxer APC. Boxer's genesis lies in the early 2000s, when the consortium aimed to create a highly versatile and customizable armored vehicle to meet evolving demands of modern warfare. The result was a modular design that could seamlessly integrate various mission modules onto its robust chassis, offering flexibility on the battlefield. Its modular nature allows for swift transformations, catering to diverse roles such as infantry transport, command and control, ambulance, and engineering operations. This flexibility ensures that the Boxer is not confined to a singular purpose, but it can be tailored to meet the dynamic requirements of different mission profiles. Armament always plays a pivotal role in the Boxer's capabilities, and it's typically armed with a remote-controlled weapon stations. It can be equipped with various weapon systems, including machine guns or automatic cannons. Now, this adaptability in armament allows the Boxer to serve as an effective platform for fire support, enhancing its role. In terms of protection, it's fortified against a spectrum of threats. Its modular armor is designed to counter ballistic, mine, and improvised explosive devices. This layered defense approach provides crews with a high level of protection, contributing to its survivability. Countermeasures further enhance the Boxer's defensive capability. Smoke grenade launchers offer visual obscurance, provide a tactical advantage in case of enemy targeting. The potential integration of active protection systems adds another layer of defense, intercepting and neutralizing incoming threats. And the Boxer's mobility here is a defining feature. With an 8x8 wheeled configuration, it's got agility and speed, making it well-suited for rapid deployment and maneuverability across various terrains. Deployed in diverse operational scenarios, the Boxer shines in roles such as infantry support, command and control, and medical evac. Its adaptability to urban warfare, peacekeeping missions, and conventional warfare scenarios makes it a valuable asset for modern armed forces. Its deployment aligns with the need for a versatile and capable armored platform that can seamlessly transition between roles based on evolving demands of the battlefield. Number 2. The Oshkosh Joint Light Tactical Vehicle. The Oshkosh Joint Light Tactical Vehicle, or just JLTV, is a next-gen military vehicle looking to up the ante when it comes to mobility, design, and protection. Developed by Oshkosh Defense, the JLTV serves as a replacement for the aging Humvee in order to meet the needs of the U.S. military. The developmental journey of the JLTV culminated in Oshkosh Defense securing a multi-billion-dollar contract in 2015 to produce these next-generation vehicles. The design is characterized by exceptional off-road mobility akin to the agility of a dune buggy, coupled with the durability requisite for military operations, configurable with a 4x4 setup. It showcases maneuverability across diverse terrains, but beyond its agility, the design emphasizes modularity, allowing for various mission packages and configurations. In terms of armament, the JLTV doesn't fall short, featuring a versatile weapon mounts that can be equipped with various weapon systems depending on mission requirements. These may include machine guns, automatic cannons, and anti-aircraft missiles, elevating its firepower for a spectrum of scenarios. The mobility of the JLTV comes from the 6.7-liter turbocharged diesel engine and an option for a hybrid engine in the future. The JLTV has a 27-foot turning radius and demonstrates the capability to ascend 24-inch vertical obstacles both forward and reverse. And additionally, it's engineered to navigate a 20-degree V-ditch with a width of 25 feet, approaching it at a 45-degree angle. The vehicle also exhibits its agility by jumping a 6-inch parallel curb at a speed of 15 miles an hour and traversing a 20-foot flight of stairs at 5 miles an hour. It can ascend a 60% dry, hard-surfaced gradient and traverse a 40% side slope without any compromise in driver control. The JLTV program has undergone significant evolution across multiple development phases, marked by critical milestones that encompass required quantities and pricing considerations. Designed to be versatile, the JLTV comes in variants, each adept at fulfilling distinct roles, including armament carrier, utility, command and control, ambulance, reconnaissance, and various tactical and logistical support functions. Number 1. The Stryker Armored Vehicle. Forged through the strategic vision of the U.S. Army in the early 2000s, the Stryker Armored Vehicle is one of the toughest vehicles of all time. Driven by the need for a deployable and agile armored vehicle, the Stryker emerged as a versatile family of 8-wheeled platforms, each meticulously designed to fulfill specific roles on the battlefield. A standout in the Stryker's design is its armor, offering the best protection against a spectrum of threats. Small arms fire, artillery splinters, and chemical, biological, radiological, and nuclear hazards don't stand a chance. The chassis, configured with 8 wheels, is a 4x4 arrangement. It strikes a balance between mobility and protection. Going under the hood, the Stryker is powered by a diesel engine, which gives it a lethal combination of speed and range. Its primary firepower includes the 13mm M2 machine gun, known for its caliber and sustained power. Alternatively, some variants feature the 40mm Mark 19 grenade launcher, mounted in a Protector remote weapon station, providing effective engagement against personnel. For increased firepower, the Stryker Dragoon variant is equipped with a 30mm Mark 44 Bushmaster 2 gun, known for its high caliber as well. Notably, the M1128 mobile gun system variant is armed with a potent 105mm M68A2 gun, enhancing the Stryker's anti-tank capabilities and designating it as a mobile tank destroyer. These diverse options underline the Stryker's flexibility, allowing it to be configured based on mission requirements. Whether engaging infantry, light armored vehicles, or tanks, the Stryker stands as a versatile and lethal asset on the modern battlefield. There's the infantry carrier vehicle, the mobile gun system, the reconnaissance vehicle, and the medical evacuation vehicle, just to name a few. A noteworthy aspect of the Stryker's evolution is its integration into the SHORAD program, enhancing air defense capability. This involves equipping the vehicle with advanced air defense systems to counter unmanned aerial systems and low-flying aircraft, contributing to another layered defense. These advancements ensure that the Stryker remains at the forefront of military innovation, adapting to the evolving nature of modern warfare. I'll see you guys next time. Thank you to our channel members.